Well, guess what? You guys buy storage units?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
$40.
Okay. Yeah, I'm at a restaurant. Don't judge me.
You want it or no?
Let me see. Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, MsTaffy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase after new deals year round. Today, we at the post office. If y'all remember, I got these shoes for $3. I muted the video right here because they were playing loud music. Well, guess what? They sold on Poshmark for, drumroll please, for $50 plus shipment. Let's get these things shipped out. Ow! Y'all, why I think the post office is closed. And I've been at work. I've been really busy. And I'll be honest, I did not see this order till now. And I think this is my last day to ship. All right, y'all. Today is a different day. And we're doing a dialogue, but this time we're at a restaurant. I'm going to try to tune out this music. Hopefully the mic does. But yes, I made it to the post office in time to ship out those shoes. So now I'm on the lookout for any high top Chucks. Those were called Airwalks. That was my first time selling them. And I sold them on Poshmark. Now I got to list more things on Poshmark. To be honest, I just been sticking with OfferUp. And I rarely do eBay, but I got to keep listing. List.
Good
morning.
How you doing? What y'all asking on the PlayStation 3?
How much for the PlayStation?
20?
You guys, that PlayStation sold so fast. It was called a backwards PlayStation. Be sure to look out for those. How much are your jackets?
Maybe for that one, for the one that you're gonna
That was 50.
50.
No, thank you.
And how much are these?
Those are 10.
Okay. Where's, you have the matching one?
Yeah.
Those are fine, but it's just certain things like that.
That you don't like?
10 as well.
Okay.
I couldn't find this one.
You can't?
I know. It's not in the box.
What about
I
this
know
one?
He
it's
said
missing
10.
one. Yeah, that
Okay.
that one's right here. But for that one, no, it's not in here.
Oh no.
I'm so sorry.
If she would have found that other Air Max, I could have sold those for $90. But she only had one. I could have got that one, but I didn't. I wanted both. But hey, you can't win them all.
I found it, bro.
Okay.
So I have a Vita. I don't really have games for the Vita. The PSP and all these games. And also I have the power cord. This is for the, at least for the PSP. I don't have the power cord for the Vita.
So you said I could take it for $150, right?
Yeah, everything. It's in the box.
Vincent got the PSP and I believe it's called a Verta. He should make about $300 in profit. He already sold some of it already.
All right, I'll do that.
I had them on offer for the longest, and people just text. Nothing. Been having it for a long time.
You guys sell at a Swapmeet or something? Oh.
No. Just a bunch of stuff we accumulate.
Oh, because I seen the price tags. I'm like, oh.
Yeah,
okay.
my girl works and she knows.
Oh, okay. are those? Oh. How much are your shoes?
Which one?
Those, the black and white ones. $5. $5? Okay. Let's see. How much is the other pair with no shoestrings?
$3.
3. Okay. Seen these Raz shoes on the ground, but like I told you guys, anytime I see some Chuck Taylors or anything that look like some rare or a special edition, I'm getting them. So I got these Raz shoes. I should be able to get like around $30 for both of them. So 60 total from $8. You can't beat that with a baseball bat.
Pardon me.
Thank you.
Would you like any pepper?
Oh yes, black pepper, please.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm at a restaurant. Don't judge me. I'm gonna show you my food.
Let me know when.
Okay. That's enough, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is the second pair. I'm going to clean them up, and I also ordered some shoestrings. But here's the before picture, y'all. Shoes, and look how nice they look now. Okay, is that some jerseys I see, or just t-shirts? Oh, how much is that? Let's see. Hi, how much is your bag? $2? Yeah. Oh. This in case is expensive. You said a content bag?
Yeah. It's padded, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like the laptop, camera. You want it or no?
Let me. But $2 is a good deal, so. What else? Y'all, the backpack already sold for $70 some plus shipping. Like, that's why it's good to know your items. Like, I knew In-Case sells well. Hi, how much are your shoes? $3? Okay. $3. All right, who do I pay? Okay, pay. You have a bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
Aquel está calando cosas.
Thank you. 1, 2. Thank you. Guys, platform shoes always do well for me, so I had to pick these up for $3. Here's the before. I'm going to clean them up a little bit and show you guys the difference. All right, Candy Crew, there's not much of a difference, but they look good enough to sell. $30, come to me. You guys buy storage units?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Nice, nice.
Yeah, it's nice, but all the clutter. Is not
Yeah.
nice.
I used to do it too.
Like my dad mainly does like the yard sales. He goes to sell like Swapmeets and stuff. But I mainly do like whatever is like more valuable. I'll sell it on eBay or like offer up stuff like that.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. But yes, y'all, I got the Fila shoes for $3. I'm pretty positive I could get between $30 and $40 for those. So that's why I got them. Hold on, let me pray. Hold on. But yes, I was very nosy. I asked him, did they buy storage units? He like, yep. He said they sell like expensive stuff online, but I think I want this expensive. Ooh, let me see. How much is this, ma'am? I think it's a skateboard. 10. Can you do 7? Okay.
I don't know if it works,
Okay. Let me see.
but it's in the box.
Let me. Okay. Oh no. Okay.
Check in the white box. There's a carton thing.
Oh yeah. Okay. Where'd she go? Oh.
I want to look through this stuff a little more. I want to bring the car around.
Okay. I just sit in the shade. Take your time. Thank you. Oh, look, you want to ride it. You dare me? Oh, never mind. Woo! If I fall.
We don't need another one.
No, we don't. So we.
Flashback.
Oh shit, my phone fell. Oh y'all. Oh damn, I fell too. Oh Lord.
End of flashback.
We're gonna just wait. Bring the car around. But yes, y'all. So I got the Swagtron skateboard and it worked. I was so happy. And you know what's crazy? That's the same brand as my electric bike, Swagtron, the one that I fell on. Oh, you think it's funny? He rude, huh? Jesus. But it's time to sell a skateboard. Hello, how you doing?
It's weird, you know, the place you choose. Okay, they got the control too, right?
The what?
The control?
Yes, in there.
Okay. So can I get a discount?
I'm sorry, huh?
Can I get any discount?
I'm sorry, 50 is the best. I wish I could.
Yeah, okay, you say 50, right?
Yes.
No discount? Yeah. Let's see. How's it going?
I'm good, and you? Okay.
So you got these things right here in the
Yeah,
sides?
correct, yeah.
There's $30.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it to you.
Okay.
It's for my son.
Oh, he's gonna enjoy it.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a
so
good
much.
one. Yeah, they cracked me up when they asked for a discount. I met up with the guy. He wanted a discount. And I'm like, I seen the same skateboard on eBay for 80 bucks, so I just listed mine for 50. But when I looked at the retail cost was $129.99. So I gave him a deal. Let me show y'all my food though. Clam chowder for this weather. You can't beat it. It's raining outside. But y'all, until the next video, keep hustling, staying positive, TTYL. On the next episode. That's laughing.